Neve's fam, this is Neve from Neve's Lifestyle. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to review a hair tool which I got recently, but I have used it few times already. So I thought let me do a review for you. And I got this hair tool from from Amazon. I will put the price somewhere here in the video, and the link of the product will be in the description box down below. And like I said, it's from Amazon. So the hair tool I'm talking about is and it looks like this. And I will definitely do the demonstration. I will show it to you on my hair how it works, and after that I will definitely give you the review, and again price will be somewhere in the video. And it's like this, and it came in a box, and I have already used, so it's out of the box. And it says one-step hair dryer and styler. So that's what it stays over here. It says 2-in-1 blower brush hair dryer and styler soft touch. So you can basically even dry your hair with this one and style your hair, but right now I've been using just to style, not to dry. You will see in the demonstration what I mean. So it looks like this. It's electrical, and there's a cord, and the cord size is good enough. So so this is how it is, and it gives you like, this is the paddle, and it tells you like contouring cushion paddle design, detangling brush, fast heating, lightweight design. So it says lightweight. It is a little bit lightweight, but not that lightweight. And then it says ergonomic handle for easy use. Then it says 3 control settings: high, low and cool. So it has 3 settings towards the end, close to the cord. I will just show you in a second. And it says 360-degree swivel cord. So something like here. When I saw this in the photo, I didn't think that this hair tool will be big, but it is big. So it came, it says nanotechnology, tourmaline, I don't know how to pronounce that, tourmaline technology, negative ion technology, the 360-degree swivel cord. So this is the box. So let me show you the hair tool. There you go. This is the hair tool. And when this came, when I saw it in the photo, when I was buying it, I didn't think that it will be this big and bulky. It looked really small, but I have no complaints, and I really like this pedal. And the pedal is big, and these, I don't know what you call them, the combs, they are little separate, like not really together, so they don't break my hair, which is really good. So it's like this, and it has 3 like it said, 3 settings, like off button, cool button, low button, high button. So you can just do like this, and you can start or stop just this pink thing over here. So, and it gives a light button. So this is high, this is low, and this is cooling. So this is how it is. And like it said, it has the swivel cord, so it's easy to bend your hand to do different sections of hair, so the cord will easily bend. So you can see like this. Now let's start the demonstration and the review. So I just took shower, washed my hair, and there's a mirror. So I'm just gonna look there and do my hair. So I removed the towel. As you can see, my hair is wet. So now I'm going to apply a leave-in conditioner. I do that every time I wash. If I've applied conditioner during my shower, then I don't apply. I just take like couple pumps on my hand like that and rub it few times and just apply the conditioner on the ends like ear down. So yeah, and especially below, like towards the end of the hair. Now I'm applying the blow dry, the heating protectant, and this one is oil based, so I'm just applying a little bit, otherwise it becomes oily, and it is really good. So now just take any dryer and dry your hair a little bit so there is no extra water dripping. So just for a minute or so I am applying this dryer or drying my hair so that there are no like dripping water. I don't want to use the tool straight on the dripping water like a wet hair. Now taking a shampoo comb, I am going to comb my hair very lightly, otherwise when the hair is wet they break easily, so don't use a brush, just use a shampoo comb and lightly brush your hair. So now I'm taking this tool, hair styler and dryer, that's what it is called, and I'm going to lift each section, and from below I am taking and combing it out so that I get some volume, because if I do just from the top down like how we brush our hair, it's going to it will straighten my hair, but it will be like no volume, so I am taking section by section like this and combing from inside out. So now as I have short hair, I don't want to put pins and do sections like that, but if you have longer hair you want to do like section by section, yeah, see it's kind of in my hair, so I do like inside. You can do similar, it really looks nice, especially if you have short hair. So like I was telling you that you can put clips and do section by section, but I like to do this, and there are no hair fall as you can see on the paddle, and I just keep doing the same thing. From inside I am combing, and I put the dryer on a high settings, so it's quickly, and it just does very quickly, hardly like 5 to 7 minutes. So for me, I really like it. I don't like to spend too much time doing this. So my hair is pretty much done. So this is how they are looking. You can see how nicely all my layers are done. So just comb with the shampoo comb lightly, but wait for it to cool down, then comb it. So I'm combing very lightly. So I hope you like my demonstration, and basically today my hair, because I applied oil and washed, so they are pretty silky and soft, so they are like right now not very fluffy or not too much volume, because it's silky right now, so they just decided to just sit. But still, if you look the shape it gave me, for my hair, like all my layers, so it's looking pretty good, and they are going to stay like this for at least 2-3 days until I wash next time. So I really like this product, so I'm giving this product like 4 stars. Just 1 star I'm taking away, because when we do it with the dry hair, it does not give so much volume. Basically it straightens your hair, and then because I tried doing the way I did today, but without wetting my hair, maybe I will try just spraying my hair with a little water and see what's the difference. But yeah, so that's why I'm taking away one star from this. Otherwise, I really like this. Actually, the one I was using right now, I've been using it like for many years. I think 8+ years. So, and I really like it, and it's still working. I have no complaints. But I wanted to try something different, so I bought this. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to comment below and let me know, and please subscribe. It really means a lot to me, and I will see you in my next video. Before that, don't forget to check out my social media. The links are down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.